Here's your 347, just got done running. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our heads on it, CNC, custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously it's got the Holley high ram, side ram. It's got the Accufab throttle body, nice piece. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Got the rear sump well pan. Marked Serpentine belt, make sure the alternator charges for you. Show you how it ran. 3,800, 373 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 417, good and flat there. Peaks horsepower 489, good and flat up there. Rated at 500, so the front end's about 15, so it runs good. We'll get her off there in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.